Hi guys, this is Chika with Borrowed Delights, and today we are making my sheet pan roasted vegetables. So for this recipe, I'm using some mushrooms, broccoli, zucchini, and some cherry tomatoes. I'm going to begin by slicing my zucchini into about 1/2-inch pieces. And then I'm going to cut my broccoli into bite-sized pieces. I'm also going to slice my cherry tomatoes in half. And I'm also going to slice my mushrooms in half. And I'm using just brown mushrooms. So if your mushrooms are a bit larger, you might want to quarter them instead of just slicing them in half. And really, you guys can use whatever vegetables that you may like for your sheet pan recipe when you're making this. But this is what I wanted to use at the time. I do sometimes add some bell peppers, onions, and butternut squash. So really the combinations are endless. So once you've prepared all your vegetables, they're all cut up, you're going to place them onto a foil-lined sheet pan. And you can go ahead and drizzle over some olive oil. And for my seasonings, I kept it very, very simple. I just used some black pepper and salt. Of course, you can add whatever seasoning blend that you may like, whether that's some crushed garlic and thyme and rosemary, or if you want to keep it super simple like myself, salt and pepper works fine. I actually am using these roasted vegetables in another recipe, so I wanted to keep it very, very simple. So you're going to go ahead and toss everything together, and this is going to bake in a preheated 400-degree oven. You'll want to bake your vegetables until they are lightly golden brown and tender. This is actually a great recipe to make as well if you do lots of meal prep. You can make a whole bunch of vegetables and portion them out in containers to have throughout the week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and let me know how it turns out for you. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to do so. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.